Hello everyone! I found out the hard way that the paper that I used to make a watercolor journal had sizing problems. I painted the first page and it was fine, and then I painted other pages and it was not fine. Luckily, I found out about the holbein multi-sizing fluid, which I used to cover these pages and was able to paint over it. But, you know, I have those two pages that are messed up. I probably can do something with it, but I was wondering if I should cover it all up, all the pages with multi-sizing, or if some pages are good, because obviously the first one worked fine. So if you want to find out if your paper has sizing issues, instead of painting on it, just put some water. Sizing is a substance that is put in watercolor paper to prevent water and the pigments to sink in right away. So usually when you have good watercolor paper, when you just put water on the page, it should stay shiny for a while and not dry right away. Now this page, it's going to be tough to show you. Let's see if I can find another way. There you go. Had to change cameras, and I am now on my cell phone. You can see that here it's still wet, but here it dried pretty quick. And you see the little dots here? Well, if you turn the page, you can see that the water has gone all the way through. But only where the paper dried really quick, not here. So it's safe to say that this part of the page still has sizing, but not this part. Now don't worry about those spots. When it dries, it'll disappear. So let's try the next page. So you really put a lot of water on it, because when you want to work wet on wet, you often saturate your page with water. And see if it stays wet like this. Now, I'm not going to bother with this side of the paper, because if the water went through here, I'm assuming this part is also not going to work very well. So I'll put multi-sizing fluid on both sides of this page. Now this keeps on, it just glistens. It does not dry, and it glistens evenly. So there you have it. This page has sizing, and on this page the sizing is compromised. Once the water dries, it will be safe to repair those pages, and you can start painting on them again. Hope this helps, and if you want to find out more about the multi-sizing fluid, I will put a link in the video description.